All right, we are getting ready to head out to Sourgrass. This is going to be the first actual trail for the YJ. We did Prairie City a couple weeks ago. YJ did pretty well. We still had the gearing that was pretty high in there. It was 427s in the diff, and it made it pretty hard to crawl the thing. Didn't really change much. We re-geared it. My buddy Corbin helped me re-gear the axles. We've got 513s in both these Dana 44s now. I haven't driven it a whole lot, but what I've done so far, it is a noticeable change in 4 low. Driving on the street, honestly, I can't really notice a difference. I'm just so happy to have this power coming from the Samurai. This thing feels like just a beast. So on the road, it's always done well. I think it's just going to do great now. We're rolling with a club out of Vacaville, California. It's these guys, the orange sticker Cliffhangers. Always cool to join a club and go hang out with those guys so you don't have to wheel alone, and you can check out some new trails. So that's what we're going to do.
Turn driver. There you go. You got it. You're clear.
Nice job. No big deal.
You did. You're smart. You went for the passenger. Everybody else is driving. Right? Perfect.
Nice job.
Yeah, that was too Sorry for me, Isha.
Oh, you're fine.
Give me smooth sailing from there.
Trying to run me over? Yeah.
Yeah, you're almost there. Can you roll it back just a little bit? Nice.
Good job, Ed. Nice. Good work.
Yeah, I hit something on the high side. Wow. Roll through, roll through. Keep going. Looks good. Come driver. There you go. Looks good. Keep coming. Hold that turn. Okay, straighten out. Got it, dude.
Good job, Corbin.
Try to come driver a little bit. Yep. Yep, come passenger a little bit. There you go. Go through it. There you go, keep going.
Yep, go, go,
roll,
go.
Roll, roll. Keep straight. All right, good. You might scrape a little bit. Yep, that's it. Oh, man.
Almost had it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So what I do when we wheel is I always have to always do it on my right arm because it's that I get stuff in red. I'm sure.
Straighten it up a little more. Perfect. Good. Keep going. Nice. All right. Driver.
Oh, where's got
Perfect.
Come here, buddy.
Good job.
Looks good like that.
Yoga, nice.
Okay, right there. Now go passenger a little bit. There you go. Come forward. Passenger a little more. All right. Straight.
Yeah. Nice job.
Well, after sitting at camp for too long, we decided we wanted to go do a night run. So we decided to go hit what they call the rock pile at the top of the creek crossing. And then we went back through the rock pile, down the creek crossing, and then back up the creek crossing. So nothing too challenging, but nighttime always makes it a little bit harder. From the footage on my dash cam, you can really see I need some lights.
Nice.
We are back and the Jeep is in one piece. Didn't break anything. Actually, I take it back. We did break something. The mirror. The wife was trying to adjust the mirror and she's got a really strong left hand apparently. So snap. Thumb right through the glass. Yeah, great run, a great time. YJ did great. Some of the stuff we need to work on is I'll always want more gearing, lower gears. That's probably out of it for a little bit, but we'll probably need to figure out the mirror situation, and I would really like to get a spare tire on here. Definitely some gas cans because we don't have a working gas gauge in here, so I don't really know how much gas is in there. So I just kind of fill up every time we stop. It's actually doing pretty good on gas. I need to do the calculations to figure out how much miles per gallon we're getting, but it's actually not bad because I'm taking less fuel than everyone else. That's probably one of the next things we're going to do is get a spare tire to fit on here. It's a heavy 38. This Smitty built rack is designed for up to a 35, so I don't know how that's going to handle it, but if it breaks, we'll just cut it off, we'll build our own on here. It'll be way stronger that way, and I can put my personal touches on it. But man, a 38 is so wide. It goes out to like right here. I measured it out with the tape. It's like much wider than that. It's going to cover up my taillights. It'd be nice to have some like roto packs or something skinny that can fit behind there. I don't like it when the gas cans are mounted way up high up here, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Also would like to mount my power tank. We were loaded to the max back here with the kiddo. It'd be nice to have my power tank kind of just mounted up here somewhere. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but we are going to try. And probably the next thing we're going to do though, I'm about to pull it in the garage right now, and we're going to start cutting up the front and building a really simple high clearance front bumper with some recovery points on it. That's going to lead into the next big thing for the YJ, which is going to be working with the front suspension. It's still going to be leaf sprung, spring under, but I'm wanting to stretch it forward about 3 inches just for the wheelbase gain. Also to get the tires out of the fenders, because eventually we're going to try to lower this Jeep another 2 inches and have a nice wide low YJ spring under. Well, thanks for checking out the video, guys. Stay tuned to see more updates on the YJ. Got the Samurai in the garage. We got to test out some stuff on that soon, and we got a bunch of cool gear coming, so if you want to check that out, don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram. See you guys next time.